Okay.
What's up? This is after the car wash. And I'm fucking cold as hairy ball sacks. And I'm trying to dry off and get all that soap out of my fucking contacts and my hair. There's Ashleigh over there. She was my co-partner in this.
She's slowly but surely dying.
Miles!
So, Travis and Ashleigh, do you have any words of wisdom for young folks who might like to try this themselves one day?
Do it.
Don't wear contacts.
No, definitely go through the car wash. You might want to wear goggles that actually fit.
Instead of little children's ones.
We abandoned that idea. But next time we're doing this drunk.
So, would you say this was a good $16 spent?
Since it was my money, I'm sure Ashleigh would say yes. Yeah, it was worth it, I guess.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have Travis and Ashleigh. I believe that they have just entered many Americans' hearts as heroes. Thank you. Have a good night.
Fucking toes bleed.